Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can change the notification sound in WhatsApp on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Write your comments at the end of the video and also put your likes. So, let us get started with you. And first of all, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Now, you'll need to go to Settings at the bottom. Next, select Notifications. Now at the top, select Sounds. And here you will be able to choose the sound that you like. Once you select the sound, at the top tap Save. And also, you will be able to change the notification sound for group chats. To do that, you'll also need to click here on Sounds, select the one that you like, and then click Change. In this way, you will be able to change the notification sound in WhatsApp for normal messages as well as group messages. Friends, I really hope this video has been useful and helpful for you. Please don't forget to put likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.